You're such a bum.
People should come and celebrate Nova Scotia. And that's what Bay Day is. It's the celebration of family and friends, but it's also of Nova Scotia and what it has to offer. You know, the ocean, the fresh air. Not cool.
Yeah.
So, and I love it when people get turned on to Nova Scotia because I love it. I love it. I'm a Vancouverite in my heart. I was born in Ontario, but this is my passion is Nova Scotia.
This is the first time in a long time I've like felt patriotic about Canada.
Really?
It's like well, this is like really Canada.
Well, that's cool.
Best days of my life. Oh yeah. Back in the summer of '69. Whoa. Back in the summer of '69.
And that jam session at the end of the night,
We've
done that
was one of my favorites.
so many times. We've done that, and the kids get into it, and even if we're off key, and it's just fun.
I love it because like nobody cares about looking stupid or
No,
silly.
no.
It's time to head to Montreal, so we jump on a plane and go meet Emma and Justin, who are also in Montreal. And while we're on the East Coast, we totally wanted to connect with them. It was amazing exploring the city and the food and the culture and everything Montreal has to offer. It's always been on one of the places I really want to go to. There was this one amazing restaurant that had these giant umbrellas that would open up and cover the open ceiling if it was raining. And there was this amazing jazz music. Love Montreal. We're only here for 48 hours. Next thing you know, we're back on a plane heading to New Brunswick.